Shut up and sit down.
Teach us how to vote.
And of course, unfortunately, Ruby wasn't able to make it last week.
Fortunately.
Unfortunately, Ruby wasn't able to make it. Charis. Okay na bitaw. Wala makapatay ang bayo to. I think he's just running late. But we do have special guests for our episode today. We have kisa ni siya. Paila-ila sabi. Humani mo paila-ila.
Okay. Habol sa...
Offer your turn. Uh-oh. Go.
Hey, my name is Aiken.
Aiken.
Yeah, Aiken's a dancerist as well. He's very active in the art, among other things. So we decided to invite him this episode because for those who don't know, February na di ay mga peste mo. February na. I hope buhi pa yung Japon mo. February na, and it is supposed to be Hearts Month. But yeah. So na si Aiken diri kay maghatag siya advice about love. Charis sa kala. Last na ni siya. Sige lang, basing Naruto's Ruby.
Unta ko sa via connection.
Ruby, unta ko tayo. Oh my God.
Haggard. Are you haggard?
Bayot pag ilis sa bayot.
Asan nagikan?
Ka-jogging.
Isugdan jud ni Ruby og booking no ang February na to.
Ruby, we can't hear you, Ruby.
Dahil dili ka madungog. Di ka madungog, dahil.
Which is great.
Ako na.
Yes.
Hello, anybody home? Walang himala.
Dungog. So this week, this episode, we're gonna be talking about natay gi-post na questions duha ka buok. Unsa ganito? Ang first
Katong
was
hurtful.
So ang first comment atong kuan, unsa kuno yung pinaka most hurtful words na someone you love told you. Ang iyang unang gitubag is di ko ka-relate. O di ba? Mo ni pinaka bullshit kay tubag.
Mayra pong gaingnan ka na dai.
Bullshit. Mangundang ta i-close na ni. Dili na ni podcast. Mangundang ta.
Di ko ka-relate. Yan siya dito bag. Yan siya dito bag pod.
Mao.
Paka-feel ko in denial. Oo. In denial ra na.
I hope maka-relate ka pohon. I hope dili na po ka masakitan, pero I hope masakitan sa maayo. Buisit. Moving on. Lahi na po na kuan. Buisit kuan na ni. Then ay kani. You're not enough. Amo ni ang words. You're not enough for me and you're too FM.
Oh my God. Nakuha ng friend.
Oh my God.
Anonymous gani.
Anonymity.
Anonymous.
Board.
Tungkol ang address, ang name, o ang parents niya, SSF, GSI.
Bitaw, sakit man, no? You're not enough for me and 2FM. Bitaw, sakit man na siya these days. Kasi siya, ako, tawag kong FM, lisod kayo, kay laki na kay kong nawong. Dako ko kong nawong. Pero I think the fact na istoryaan siya, I think, ano bang, ganaan kayo siya niya, then I think kita mga bayot kasulay na magudaan na, di ba?
Correct.
Hindi
Wala ba
bayot
yan?
ando, charot.
Bakit say bayot?
Wala may bayot diri.
Wala maingon kayo.
Wala may bayot diri.
Wala maingon. Wala man. Trans man na smart.
I don't know her.
I don't know her.
Kana ingon ka na you're too FM. It's like gi-reduce niya imong self into wala na ka. You're just someone who talks like a girl.
Exactly.
That's it. No?
No,
It's very
for pwede mo comment.
Yes.
Go.
Pwede kayo.
Okay, just kuya ka.
For me, no, in a gay relationship, before you actually enter into the relationship, there's always an agreement. There's always a discussion about, kung unsa ka, unsa imong role, unsa imong ani, what your type is, di ba? Dili ka mo enter into that relationship if the other party dili ganahan sa imong preference. If you're effeminate, kung di siya ganahan, then in the first place, ayaw enter. Diba?
Yeah.
You're just
Just wasting your time.
You're just wasting your time.
Then daraan iyang other response atong second part sa question is, well, na-depress, may spelling man yan, na-depress. Well, na-depress. He changed me on masking my personality just to fit this. This is so sad. It changed me on masking my personality just to fit the standard. Pero I learned na wrong di ay. Okay na, dili na sad. I learned naman din. Today, I am already enough with or without a significant other. Love is about accepting and appreciating, not adjusting and hiding your true self. Naraman di ay. Pastorya pa na to. Si Aiken, si Kasik Pataglaway. Ni-reply si Ruby, you are enough. Laban diha na. Ganan ko Ruby. Ni-respond na yun siya.
Wala na siya nagulat sa podcast.
Wala na siya sa podcast.
Ano po yung mugi pasa taler?
Hey, mo may naano nito. Thank you very much for
Bulgar po kayo siya.
For those who are struggling, especially the young kids today, nag-struggle pa ng bago pa na nagkasulod ng mga love things, mga relationship things. That's always a question na makuan jud ka, kanang madilema jud bitaw ang bata. I'm saying bata ka younger ba? Younger and inexperienced when it comes to love and relationships, how the dynamics work. Kuan jud sometimes traumatizing na, pero you have to find that hugot inside you now. Nanapoy lain. This is awkward, but about cheating money. Oy gananta ani. Okay, money. The kids.
Yes.
I asked the person nganong gibuhat to niya, and according to him, gatuo manggugko na ikaw ang kind na dili magdugay, dali ra mailisan. And then I still forgave him for all the cheating. Pero sa una ra to, wala na mi karon. Sige katawa ni bayhanan ni. But despite forgiving and accepting the person, low na kaayo akong self-esteem because of what he said. But then again, the Lord is so good. He did not allow me to settle with this person. So I guess that's my wake-up call. You go, girl. You dodged the bullet. You dodged the bullet. Come on, guys. Gato, lain na siyang gisulti, no? Gatuo manggugko na ikaw ang kind na dili magdugan. Dali ra ka mailisan. I know this girl.
Kana mga ingunan mga ingnon kag ingunan na tao, no, kay they're actually self-incriminating. No, marabag, wow, thank you so much for telling me that. This is the best thing that ever happened to me. Kay kung naano mo in a relationship, serious relationship, and then in the long run, then you discover na ingunan na siya. Mas mabuang kag samot. May pa, di ba?
May bago pa lang.
Meron pag i-confirm niya.
So bye. Thank you very much.
Biggest red flag.
What kind of purpose a relationship, I think, no? Kind of purpose of relationship is getting to know the person you're gonna be committing with. Before making any big decisions, naunaan sana mo ba niya ang tao na ganahan na kung pakaslan or kadulog,
or even Or even before jumping into a relationship, like mag-uyab-uyab. Get to know each other first for a month or two.
Correct.
Yeah.
And then have a conversation. Sa ato ang culture
Mm.
no kay ang kanang confrontation conversations kay dili siya uso.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dili
But it's super duper helpful
Mm.
in like before ka mo enter in a
Yeah,
relationship.
kana magpag-level off mo
Pagka-
daan. What's your
Correct.
intention? Are you dating to
Yes.
marry or are you dating to just have
Mhm.
fun? Ano lang, John, you
Sayos
just
ra gyapon to.
you just have to recognize that people change and you have to be okay with that.
Yeah.
Wait lang. Correct.
And condition yourself to be okay, whatever would happen. If it's going to be good, then great. If it's going to be bad, then accept it.
Yes. As long as wala ka
Because after-
gidapatan o wala ka namatay.
Oh yes. Kung idapatan ka na kasuhanay na
Oh,
naglain na
kaso na
siya.
siya.
Correct.
Regarding sa cheating pod ba, kaning kabahin aning iyang giingon pod, she still forgave him for all the cheating. Kuan ba daw sa iyang self-esteem, naka-lower daw. Yeah, that's what happens when you deserve what you tolerate, mga ana. You deserve what you tolerate. So muna, if you and hopefully for those who are in this kinds of relationship, I hope you get a wake-up call. I don't know how it's gonna happen, but I hope you do get a wake-up call. Kay baling kapuya anang ihimo kasi sa sloppy seconds. Ikaw ang original na uyab, pero mahitabo ikaw may sloppy seconds. Kay ang tuman sa lain, mobalik ra nimo murag okay ra mo Starbucks ko ron. Okay ra pag uli ka nahalala kay karta diri sa ko 3-in-1.
So satan alarm.
Ikaw ang cheap version, bisan ikaw ang original. Luwi kayo ka.
Yes.
So congrats diba to our fourth responder. Salamat kay pag-solve sa imong problema. Here's another hearts question. You know me, wala jud mo seryoso na ako because of my situation, diba? But whenever I meet a guy, but whenever I meet a guy, maura jud ni sige na ako madunggan. I'm too busy to get committed to you. Single ko and no baggage. Usig kaayo akong future para nimo. Those words made me think na dili ko worth it. Bisan pa unsaon nako pagpalami og lawas, pagpalami og nawong, gibiyaan ganit nako akong ex-husband, and here I am looking for another relationship. I guess someone like me won't find anything like that. Ang tubag ni Ruby, try ko nog afam dai.
Buang ka, Ruby.
Ano sa mo? Di alam mo ikaw advice.
Ruby, every time mo respond ka sa mga respondents, butang i-disclaimer.
These are my
Ayaw
personal
ka
opinions.
Pero
Pero tanawa, no? Like, grabe jud siya, na-affected jud siya sa, na-affected, sorry, akong iring gakastaan na.
stay away.
Mag-ulag yun sila basta mag-podcast. Balik sa, kabantay mas iyang wordings, like, grabe, maragod siya ka ng, na-destroy jud siya sa experience, no?
Yeah.
Oo.
Which is sad.
Looy.
Pangutan na to ang lami og lawas. Pangutan na to ang lami og lawas.
Si Hochi Benitez.
Si Ruby.
So Ruby, what can you say?
Yung palami mo kuno siya lawas, o palami ko siya nawong o itsura.
Amot lang jud kay ako ara jud ko nagpalami. Kung unsa akong naong mura jud. Bahala ka diha. Kung unsa akong lawas mura jud I accept myself. Wa ko nang hinahanglan sa kuan. Kano ko magpalami kung ganahan ang tao na ako di ganahan. Kung dili. Ana ra gud na.
Yes.
Diretso ana.
Maong.
Oo.
Yes.
Pero Pero
Mm.
naman ko uban po Ruby na pareha sa atong respondent na marabag kailangan like I said natural instinct to name nato as humans na magpa-impress jud ta ug someone we like. So even in the workplace we try to validation we try to impress our boss para ma-rewardan ta. Kani ana na siya usahay especially sa relationship. Gutom man ganit tag salary how much more kanang relationship. So mga ana ba na basing dili ni siya mulingin nako kay wala ko tattoo og lawas para ni Aiken. Sige magpatato po ko pala mig lawas ana ito. Wala basing dili ni siya ganahan nako kay dili ko parihang taler na naay tuto na ay bungo. So ana ba?
Best of both
Muna
worlds.
Babae. Ang makadestroy mo gud na to usahay niyo isa tong insecurities. Mao gud na. Dapat before ka mo before ka mo kuan sa usa ka tawo, mura ba og ayaw og kanang murag sa tagan ni kanang para maganahan ang tao nako kay dapat maging ani ko nagbutang kag standards ba dili dapat ipakita nimo i-accept nimo imong kaugalingon and then like if mag-gym ka or
everything will follow
dili para
do it for yourself
dili para kay koan do it for yourself ana lang ba ikaw pud niya
if you love yourself people will follow suit they will realize na kuran ko niya kay confident ni siya kuran ko niya kay gwapa kaayo bisang unsa pa ka maot sa tan-awon dagos sa using confidence ana
It's the same thing as mag-workout ka. You repeat to yourself why you are doing it. Is it for other people or is it for your health?
Exactly.
Correct.
Kaya postaan na palami kag lawas then ang imong goal is mag-workout ka for people na palami kag lawas di man kay mo ana magapon sila gilad niya pag naong day may pwede mo na mo imong palsa og dumbbell wala guba ra gyapon ka lower
gyapon
so unsa imong purpose magpagwapa ka unsa imong purpose magpatina ka unsa imong purpose ngano ing ana so muna siya mo balik lang gud gyapon nagpa do not find opportunities to feed your insecurities especially with people na ganahan apason
and I repeat
ang pangutana worth it ba ng tawhana nga gi-workoutan nimo worth it ba na siya nga magpalami kag lawas basin kuan po na gusto basin tsukara po nagdagway buyag dili bayot dapat kuan jud
o sa Tito Ken
mo agree ko sa gisulti ni ko ni Taler it's very very important na imo buhaton sa imo self na kanang to be as authentic as you are as a person. Do it for yourself because there's a different level of happiness that you get when people love you for being who you are. No?
Correct.
Kaysa anang, you work out for other people.
Yeah.
You change your face for other people. That's very, very exhausting. Yes, you get appreciation, but lahi ra gyud be comfortable of who you are and then abot ra gyud ang tao na mo appreciate sa imo ka.
Kani Aiken ako iso atong question ni Aiken ha. Aiken lami kag lawas gwapo ka talented ka have you ever had your heart broken nagka-reject ka?
Yes.
Gi-reject ka tungod sa physical aspects? Wala ka ba? Pero namin meaning ana like
wala si Ruby.
Gusto ko na si Ruby. I-reject ka.
Deserve po to.
Wala.
Bisag unsa ka gwapo or unsa ka kalamig lawas or talented ka kung dili ikaw ang ginapangita sa tawo.
Regardless, Jud.
True.
Lahi ni siya take So, akong papa, when he was alive, he would always tell me nga inutil ko and wa ko'y maabot sa life. Giinansad ko niya nga wa ko'y ayo nga pagkaklase nga anak. Still healing from it and I don't know if I can. Aww. Sige lang, namatay na bitaw siya. But joking aside, I'm so sorry that happened to you. I'm so sorry. No one deserves
Yeah,
that.
yeah. We're all sorry.
I don't know. I don't know both sides of you know, I'm so sorry. Dili po
That's
ko
hard.
kabalo if makahil baka na sakit man lang
Compare-
kay mo o kay galing yung
Deep tayo.
Dipuns.
Kanim
Yeah.
But
kanim
then,
may pinaka hurtful so far.
Correct.
But then,
So naka-jacket.
Dahil 500 pesos worth of load.
Oo. Ang napasakitan jud maayo mo hatagang 500 pesos na load of jacket. Sorry. I'm so sorry that happened to you. I have no words.
Yeah, as much as we want to say na, be strong, be like that, you have to move on.
yeah.
Kalisod.
Yeah.
However, you don't have a choice. You don't have a choice but to move on and be strong. Okay.
Yeah.
Sige ra ka gahuna-una. No matter how traumatic that is, you have to really just live and no matter what your friends told you before, your parents told you that you can do this, you can do that. It's only you now that can better yourself.
Yes.
And if you live with that forever, you carry that forever, dili ka maka-improve sa imong self. Kasi ka una.
True.
It takes a very, very strong person. Not everybody's strong, but it takes a strong person to get through that. And I hope that, you, kinsa na siya, you can find the courage and find that
to live on.
I
mean, your father died. You don't have to die with him as well. So. Diba? You have to live, girl.
Oh.
And then hello, girl, you're not alone. You're not the only person in the world na naingon an experience. There are millions of people, I think.
Not to belittle your experience.
Of course.
You don't have to die with the people who tried to kill you before. So what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So.
Yes. And then go to therapy.
You can heal from it.
Yeah, go to therapy.
Find someone who can help you, because not all your friends, all your family members or relatives can help you with it.
Yeah.
Invest in yourself by going to therapy.
If you can afford therapy, buy MP.
MP is cheaper than therapy.
Yes.
And listen gid pud kayo mo hatag og advice sa mga taong inana direct if ikaw mismo wala ka experience ana. So angan mag-advise ka nga wag gani ka experience, di ba?
Kailangan jud ka nang kuan jud
a community.
Pwede mo hatag og advice. Di ko ka pwede mo hatag og advice jud noon because kuan na siya one of the things na mag-counsel ka, di ka pwede mo hatag advice. Dapat sila gyud maka-realize ilang problem. Okay, ownership, then sila mo makapangitag solution. You just need to guide them. Pero ayaw jud mo hatag og advice ng viewers kay ending ana kung mo backfire ang advice kamoy pasangilan ana dai na. So, gabon mo.
Especially
maglakaw mo diya.
Especially mga advice ni Robbie ingno ra gyud ka nga pangay ngitag apam dai. Di mag-inom ka kanduway. Duwa ka shot nana. Mora na advice na ko nimo dai kay saon pa man ako man ni ana ra.
A family that stays together.
Drinks together.
Here's another response. Walang tayo. No,
O de Mayo.
Okay.
Okay kayo. Nasakitan ka? Muna.
Again, if you're expecting, talk to the person. I like you. I want us to be together in the future. Maybe not now. Okay, if you will just stay silent, both of you are silent, and you are just assuming, most of the time you will get hurt.
Yes.
Yeah.
Magsigira kag assume na hala basing gana na siya nako, but then dili di ay.
You'll wait for 10 years. You'll wait for 10 years and then you write a musical.
Ay, bastos.
Hala.
Familiar.
Familiar.
Connect lagi dayon ng mga musical.
Yes. I-market
I've
na
heard
to na.
Dapat vocal gyud ka. Vocal kasi imong feelings.
Ay, tino. Oo,
Wow.
Learn to
Here's
communicate.
another entry.
Yeah.
Here's another entry. Hassle ka nga pagkatao. True.
Deserve, charot.
Hassle ka.
Okay.
Abo, kasi lang yung answer, Arnie. Hassle ka nga pagkatao. Ang ano po, I mean, I don't, ngano pong kang hassle, gaunsa pug ka. Naunsa pug ka.
What is to hassle?
Pero nasakitan man ka, so ikaw may ni hatag ani na entry, sorry, nahitabo na nimo, pero basing sala po daw nimo, anong hassle kayo ka?
Hassle.
Di kasi man na.
correct.
We don't know the kuan man. We don't know both sides of the story man to. Sige lang. If namin ninyo ana hassle ka nga, lahi ra po ng kuan kay kagibuhat ni mo tanan, then inon kang hassle ka. Basing kuan na kay ka overbearing, basing nanuok na ka. And
Hustle hard.
Correct. I think that's valid ba?
Oh.
Valid na siya. Dapat you take it kay, sometimes, most of the time, if in love ka, you do crazy things, wala nang kakabalo, you know, you're not yourself.
Yeah.
So I think that's a wake-up call diba? To
Maybe
evaluate yung actions in a relationship.
Yeah. Reflect on it.
Wala gito, hassle ka nga pagkatao, true.
Maybe it's true. Maybe you are.
Maybe it's true.
Ano po ka, I agree.
Correct.
Point.
Wala siya. Ganaan ko ato na respondent kaya wala niya gisolve ang problem.
No, because the chat.
Here are some more responses regarding heart. That are hurtful words na yung gisulti. Di pa ko ready mag-official title. Okay raman ta, di ba? Haya man ta kung unsa ta karon. 2 weeks later, while ga-paint me, nag-Facebook official siya with another girl na wapan niya namin in real life. I'm gonna get gahahash siya, pero nagkatawa po ko. With matching. So, nag-Facebook official ko no, ang iyahong katong istorya niya, hurtful word. Nag-Facebook official siya with another girl. Like in a relationship, guro, no?
Yeah.
In a relationship with another girl na wapan niya na meet in real life. With matching, pero palangga, kaayo tikaw, plus di ba, gakuyog ni anak ko, ay wow, nanadi, kay uyab, congrats. Sorry pa jud siya, kay sa una pa daw siya naninguha. Pero wala na daw niya gi-communicate na kuyog mi. So lesson ana is, ang bakakon na jud. Di magpadala sa feelings kay di niya mo pareha og view sa world. Ganan ka sa itong mga audience kasi sila lang pag-solve sa ilang mga problema.
Yeah.
Oo.
Last na ni namong episode, ha?
Kabalo na day mo mag-solve.
Bye. Thank you, guys.
Mas problem na sa sunod.
You go, girl. You go, girl.
What do you go, girl?
Appreciate.
Pero if nga na,
You go, girl.
mag-Facebook official, what would you do?
Na ako'y similar kuan experience na. Pero kung kato, dili na siya.